Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the amount of time your watch screen will stay awake for on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the digital crown to open the App menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down the settings and tap Display and Brightness. Then scroll to the bottom of the Display and Brightness settings and tap Wake Duration. Here you can choose between a wake duration of 15 seconds or 70 seconds. The selected time will have a check mark to the right of it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.